Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix cannot follow users on Instagram. Instagram is a very loved social media platform where you can follow celebrities or your friends and your families too. So if you're trying to follow someone but you cannot, this video is just for you. First of all, open your Instagram application. So if you have followed many people, Instagram doesn't let you follow more. For example, if I tap on the search icon which is right next to the home icon at the bottom, and tap on the search bar and search for anything. For example, I'm searching for clothing. Now go to accounts. Here you can see several accounts pop up. If I want to follow all of them and if I keep following all of them, most probably Instagram won't let you follow anymore, thinking somebody hacked into your account or some bot account is trying to follow everyone. So Instagram usually keeps the limit of 7,500 accounts that you can follow. So the first thing that you can do is unfollow someone so that you can follow other accounts. But if you haven't reached the limit, like I haven't, the first thing is to check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is strong. The second thing that you can do is go to the Play Store and update the app. Tap on the Home button. Now open the Play Store application. Now tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Now tap on the Instagram. Here you can see my app is already updated. If your app isn't updated, you can see update option over here. You have to tap on that option. The next thing that you can do is clear the cache of Instagram. Go to your settings, scroll down. You can see several options like notifications, battery, storage. You have to tap on the storage option. Now you can see several options over here, apps, systems, videos. You have to tap on the apps option. Now you can see app storage over here. Find Instagram and tap on Instagram. Here you can see two options, clear storage and clear cache. You have to tap on clear cache option. Now after the cache is cleared, you can go to your Instagram app, tap on the search icon which is right next to the home icon. So now if you want to follow any of the page, tap on the page and you can see here I can follow this page. So that's how you fix can't follow users on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.